how to share a PPT on WhatsApp from mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can share PPT file on WhatsApp from mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to share the PPT file on WhatsApp from mobile, the thing over here is if you have got a PowerPoint file on your phone and then you want to share them, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp application over here. Then you can simply select the person to whom you want to send that PPT file to. Now in my case I've already sent one, but I will also show you. Right over here you can see a pin like icon. Tap in that pin like icon. Over here you have to select the option called document, because PPT file is a document. So go to document, then go to browse documents. Then you can simply go to your internal storage or wherever you have stored the document and come to that file location, where you can select that particular file that you want to send and just hit the send option here in order to send PPT files to that person. This way you can share PPT file on WhatsApp on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.